face until you catch it. If it's fell down, you have to repeat it again.
Until you get it.
Yeah. Use only your mouth. If it's fall down on the floor, use your mouth, huh?
This chair is do like that. It will fall down. Do like this.
Kill your head. Kill your head.
Easy.
Kill your head.
Just do like that. Yes. Too much forehead.
Better yan mo na.
Wait, one more. Why can it open? Stop, let's get that.
Yeah, very good. Yeah.
Ready? Ready?
Yes.
Set, go. Stop and move.
Move. Okay, again. Continue. Papa, you need to move.
Laman.
One more.
Yeah, bro.
Blink twice. Blink.
Move your, move your face.
Move your head. Hayaan mo na.
Relax, only